It's not often you hear a doctor say, "Your liver is whispering, not shouting." But that's exactly how I would describe the early stages of fatty liver disease. As a practicing physician, I've seen my fair share of patients with chronic conditions that start off as seemingly inconsequential issues. It was one such patient, a 48-year-old woman named Rachel, who made me realize just how many people walk around with a fatty liver without ever knowing it. And that's the problem. Rachel came in complaining of fatigue, bloating, and an inexplicable sense of being off for weeks. Her blood tests looked mostly fine, except for a slightly elevated liver enzyme. But it was enough to catch my attention. I performed a more thorough assessment, and soon, we had the diagnosis, a fatty liver. For most people, the liver doesn't raise a red flag until things get serious. We assume that it's a silent organ, functioning in the background. But it's so much more than that. The liver is the body's detox powerhouse, responsible for breaking down toxins, processing fat, and keeping our metabolism in check. When it becomes burdened with excess fat, it can't perform its duties as efficiently. That's when the problems begin to snowball: fatigue, weight gain, digestive discomfort, and often, those things are blamed on getting older, when in reality, it's your liver crying for help. I'm going to share with you the top 8 superfoods that can actually help heal a fatty liver, supporting this crucial organ in ways that will surprise you. But before we dive into these superfoods, let's take a step back and examine why liver health matters more than we think. The silent epidemic. 1 in 4 people globally suffers from non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and most don't even know it. The liver doesn't scream when it's in trouble. Instead, it whispers. Symptoms may be subtle at first: tiredness, indigestion, or bloating. It's so easy to write it off as stress or a lack of sleep. But without intervention, fatty liver can evolve into a serious condition, like cirrhosis or liver cancer. But here's the good news: your liver has an amazing ability to regenerate. It can bounce back if given the right nutrition and care. And that's where superfoods come into play. You can actually reverse the damage and protect your liver from further decline by making simple, effective changes to your diet. 1. The green powerhouse, spinach. One of the first foods I recommend to my patients is spinach. I know, it sounds cliché. But spinach is a true liver-loving powerhouse. Why? Because it's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Spinach is rich in a compound called chlorophyll, which has been shown to help detoxify the liver by binding to toxins and assisting in their elimination. Additionally, the high fiber content in spinach promotes healthy digestion, which is essential when your liver is struggling to process nutrients. Incorporating spinach into your meals is as simple as adding a handful to smoothies, salads, or even sautéing it as a side dish. It's a food that works overtime, cleaning up the debris in your body, and giving your liver a fighting chance. 2. The berry miracle, blueberries. Blueberries, small, sweet, and mighty. These little berries are rich in antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins, which help reduce liver inflammation. Studies show that these antioxidants can lower oxidative stress in the liver, which is often a contributing factor to fatty liver disease. When your liver is inflamed, it can't process fat properly, leading to further accumulation. I always recommend that my patients start their day with a handful of berries added to their yogurt, oatmeal, or even blended into smoothies. Not only are they delicious, but their antioxidant power will give your liver a helping hand in the detox process. 3. The golden spice, turmeric. Turmeric is more than just a trendy spice, it's a game changer for liver health. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can protect the liver from further damage. Curcumin has been shown to reduce liver inflammation, promote fat metabolism, and improve liver function. It's like a fire extinguisher for the inflamed liver. You can incorporate turmeric into your diet by adding it to curries, soups, or smoothies. A simple turmeric latte or a warm cup of turmeric tea is also an excellent way to boost your liver health, especially in the evening. For the nutty champion, walnuts. Walnuts are often overlooked, but they deserve a place on your plate if you want to improve liver health. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, both of which help reduce liver fat and inflammation. In fact, studies have found that the regular consumption of walnuts can significantly reduce fat buildup in the liver, particularly in individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Try adding walnuts to your diet by sprinkling them on salads, yogurt, or using them in baked goods. A small handful of walnuts is all it takes to reap the benefits. Remember, the liver is your body's detox center. When it's overloaded with fat and toxins, it can't function properly, leading to various health complications. But these foods, when consistently added to your diet, can make a real difference. 5. The liver's best friend, avocados. When it comes to liver health, avocados are your ally. They're rich in healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats, which support liver function and reduce fat buildup in the liver. But that's not all. Avocados are loaded with glutathione, a potent antioxidant that helps detoxify the liver by neutralizing free radicals and preventing oxidative stress. Studies have shown that eating avocados regularly can help protect the liver from damage and promote fat metabolism. And they're incredibly versatile. You can add them to salads, spread them on toast, or enjoy them in smoothies. The creamy texture and the mild flavor make them an easy addition to almost any meal. I personally recommend my patients eat at least half an avocado every day to keep their liver healthy. Not only does it help your liver, but it also contributes to better heart health and improved digestion. It's a win-win. 6. The detoxing fiber, oats. Oats might be one of the most underrated foods when it comes to liver health. But let me tell you, this whole grain is a powerhouse of fiber, which plays a crucial role in promoting liver function. Fiber helps prevent fat from accumulating in the liver by supporting healthy digestion and ensuring that fat and toxins are flushed from your system. Oats contain a special type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which helps lower cholesterol levels and supports immune function. For your liver, beta-glucan helps keep blood sugar levels in check and reduces the risk of fatty liver disease developing into more severe conditions, such as cirrhosis. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with a handful of berries or nuts is an excellent way to nourish your liver. It's not only a comforting breakfast but a practical way to incorporate this liver-friendly food into your daily routine. 7. The citrus burst, grapefruit. Grapefruit has been recognized as a liver-friendly food for years, and for good reason. This citrus fruit is packed with antioxidants, particularly naringin, which is known for its liver-protective properties. Naringin helps reduce liver fat accumulation, and it also promotes the breakdown of fat in the liver, making it easier for the organ to function optimally. What makes grapefruit so special is that it has been shown to lower levels of oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver, which is key in reversing fatty liver disease. But it's not just about what grapefruit does, it's also how it does it. The high vitamin C content of grapefruit helps support the body's detoxification processes by boosting the immune system and reducing inflammation. To incorporate grapefruit into your diet, you can eat it on its own, add it to a salad, or enjoy a glass of freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. But make sure to consume it in moderation if you're on any medications, as it can interact with certain drugs. 8. The bitter hero, dandelion greens. Dandelion greens are often viewed as a pesky weed, but they are a hidden gem when it comes to liver health. These greens have been used in traditional medicine for centuries to support liver function. Dandelions are packed with compounds that stimulate bile production, which is essential for fat digestion and detoxification. The bittersweet nature of dandelion greens makes them an excellent tonic for your liver. They help to cleanse the liver by promoting the elimination of toxins and waste products from the body. Additionally, dandelion greens are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, which further support liver detoxification and promote healthy liver tissue regeneration. You can incorporate dandelion greens into your diet by adding them to salads or sautéing them with garlic and olive oil for a delicious, liver-loving side dish. Dandelion tea is also a great way to support liver detoxification, especially in the morning to kickstart your day. Putting it all together. So, what does a liver-friendly diet look like? It's not about avoiding all fats or going on a crash diet. Instead, it's about adding these nutrient-dense, liver-supporting superfoods to your meals. Think of it as fueling your liver with the right ingredients to help it repair and regenerate. Start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal, topped with antioxidant-rich berries and chia seeds. Add a handful of spinach to your lunch salad, or blend it into a smoothie with some avocado. For dinner, enjoy grilled salmon with a side of sautéed dandelion greens and quinoa. You don't have to overcomplicate it, just focus on whole, nutrient-packed foods that support your liver's health and function. The key to reversing fatty liver is consistency. It's about creating a lifestyle where you make the right choices for your liver every single day. As a doctor, I can tell you that when patients start incorporating these foods into their diets, I start seeing improvements, whether it's lower liver enzymes, better energy levels, or weight loss. It's proof that the liver can heal itself with the right help. But diet is only part of the equation. Exercise is crucial. While these superfoods will support liver function, regular physical activity will also help burn excess fat and keep the liver in top shape. Whether it's a brisk walk, a jog, or some light resistance training, staying active is vital in maintaining a healthy liver. As we've explored, the liver has an incredible ability to heal itself when given the right nutrients. By incorporating superfoods like spinach, blueberries, turmeric, and avocado, you're already giving your liver the tools it needs to thrive. But here's the thing, healing a fatty liver doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey, not a quick fix. The true power of these liver-loving foods lies in their consistency. A once-in-a-while green smoothie or a handful of walnuts won't do the trick. But when you make these foods part of your daily routine, you give your liver the sustained support it needs to repair itself. Incorporating these superfoods into your meals can be simple. Try swapping out processed snacks for fruit like grapefruit or berries, add spinach to your omelets, or use turmeric in your stir-fries and soups. The more variety, the better. Don't forget the power of water. Hydration is one of the most effective ways to keep your liver healthy. Water helps flush out toxins, keeps digestion regular, and supports overall bodily functions. Aim for 6 to 8 cups of water a day, and consider infusing it with lemon or cucumber to give it a little extra detox boost. Herbal teas like dandelion or milk thistle also work wonders for liver health. While diet plays a major role in liver health, exercise is just as crucial. Regular physical activity, like walking or light strength training, helps burn fat, improve circulation, and relieve stress, all of which can directly benefit your liver. Incorporating just 30 minutes of exercise most days of the week can significantly impact your liver's ability to function. Reversing fatty liver disease is about more than just diet, it's about creating a lifestyle that nurtures your body. It's about consistency with the foods you eat, the fluids you drink, and the movement you do every day. Take small, sustainable steps. Over time, you'll feel better, have more energy, and most importantly, your liver will thank you. It's never too late to take action, and even the smallest changes can yield lasting benefits. Stay proactive, stay committed, and your liver will reward you with better health and vitality for years to come.